Hello friends, welcome back again. This time I am really excited about this particular example. This is very interesting one to look for. So this one is the example which finds out missing welds. So you can see on my screen, this is a journal file. This is written in C sharp. Okay, and as usual I have already modified the file name dlx file name path, and we are good to run this example. So let's hit the play button. Also, one more thing, you have to copy the dlx file from C++ folder into .NET folder, and then you can run it. So you can see this is a very interactive and engaging kind of dialogue made with Blockstyler. So here what we do in the first step is we select the clearance set, objects for clearance set. So I have this file, so I will pick up this and this as as my objects for checking the clearance set. Now we'll go on next. As soon as I hit next, the analysis has been performed and we get the information of missing weld. You can see there is the missing weld between plate number 3 and plate number 7. So either one of these is plate 3 and one of these is plate 7. So there is a missing information here. You can see there is no weld here. Okay. We can usually also see that. So let's come back and start the analysis from start again. So let's see if we visually see this. Then there is a weld here. Here this is there is a weld, and again there is a weld here. But no weld between these two and no weld between these two as well. These two as well. So this time let's go and select all of the objects. Click next. Yeah, I was expecting this. So you can see there are two welds here, but two welds are missing. So that information we found from the results. Missing weld number 1 is between these two, and missing weld number 2 is between these two. So it actually hides and shows the relevant objects or bodies. We can even click it like this, highlight. So it will only highlight this, keeping others as is without hiding them. So this is also what we can use. So this is a very well built example that is interactive enough and that gives good results as well.